this is your SVK Lakshmi teacher. I am going to take science classes. Today I am going to take class 4, lesson 1, food. Okay, food. We are taking different kinds of foods. In festivals we are preparing so many different varieties. Okay, why we are taking different type of foods? What it contains? It contains nutrients. What are nutrients, children? Nutrients is nothing but different food substances. It can to prepare different things. These are called nutrients. Different food contains different substances. These to prepare different things. These are called nutrients. These nutrients help us to grow, help us to fight diseases, help us to build up our body. And constipation. Etc. Okay, these nutrients, some nutrients help us to grow, some nutrients help us to fight diseases, some nutrients help us to build up our body, some nutrients helps in constipation, like food digestion. Okay, free bowel movement, etc. These helps, they are doing different things. Okay, these are different substances. These are the nutrients. Different food component contains different substances for doing different things. These are the nutrients. These nutrients are depending upon the based on the work. These are the followed by 5 categories. They are based on the work. These are types of nutrients. Types of nutrients. These are, first one is the carbohydrates. First one is the carbohydrates. These are the energy giving foods. These are energy giving foods. Second one is proteins. Second one is proteins. These are body building foods. These are the body building foods. Third one, fats. These are also energy giving foods. These are also energy giving foods. These carbohydrates giving the, these are also energy giving foods, but these are not stored in our body. These fats are stored in our body fat. Understood, children? When we are not taking food, that time it will be used. Okay, these are the stored fats. Next, fourth one is vitamin and minerals. Vitamin and minerals. And fifth one, roughage and water. Fifth one, roughage and water. Fifth one, roughage and water. Vitamins and minerals. These are the protective foods. These required our body in minute quantities. Very essential. Some microbes will enter in our body. Nowadays, corona is famous. Naturally, corona, that microbes will enter in our body. These vitamins and minerals to fight the microbes. We are having more resistance power to kill the microbe. We are having less resistance power. That microbe is dominant. We will get corona disease. Understood, children? Next, roughage and water. These are the roughage. Roughage is the dietary fiber. This is the not a digestible substance. This is the plants. This is found in the plant food. This is the like bendy vegetables, drumsticks. It contains the fiber. That fiber help us in constipation, free bowel movement. Okay, digestion. etc. It will help in this water also helps in our body for digestion to absorb the nutrients. Okay, water is very essential to our body. Okay, in our body, two-third our body weight is water. Every day we have to take 8 glasses of water. 8 glass of water, that means 2 liters. Then actually we have to take 3 liters of water. 1 liter we will take in the form of our body. We are taking some fluids and liquid, solid food items in the form of 1 liter. It will go through different food components, different food substances. But remaining 2 liters we should take in the morning, evening, afternoon, like that. We should take 8 glasses of water. Okay, these are the types of nutrients. First one is carbohydrate, second one protein, third one is fats, fourth one vitamins and minerals, fifth one represent water. Okay, next one we will go in detail. First one is the carbohydrates. These are the energy giving foods. These are the energy giving foods. These carbohydrates are CHO, made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Based on the this carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides, etc. Okay, this is 4th class. That's why that much detail don't want. Here carbohydrates, here 2 types. Okay, sugars, starch. Okay, some food items like rice, wheat, maize, and bread, noodles, chapati, sugary foods, potatoes. It contains the large amount of carbohydrates. These carbohydrates necessary for the more amount requires for growing children. Okay, carbohydrates, a lot of carbohydrates required for the growing children. These carbohydrates are energy giving foods. These carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Energy giving foods. These carbohydrates are the energy giving foods. Next one, second one is the proteins. Second one is proteins. Second one is proteins. These proteins are complex substances made up of amino acids. Made up of amino acids. Amino acids, made up of amino acids. These amino acids in our DNA. Okay, we can see in our DNA. Okay, these are complex substances, very essential for human body. Proteins. Okay, everyone, human beings, their structure is unique. For example, our fingerprints, our eye, we can see that is unique. Why it is unique? Why? Because these are the DNA. We will see in DNA that the structure. Based on the structure, arrangement, we will find out. Okay, particular individual. Unique means all members are not same, different. Okay, these proteins are complex substances, very essential. Growing children require more proteins. Understood, children? Next, these proteins are the body building foods. What are, children? Body building foods. Body building foods. These proteins are body building food. Which food items contains proteins? Like milk, fish, meat, egg. It contains large amount of proteins. Okay, meat, milk, fish. It contains a large amount of proteins. Large amount of proteins. These are very essential for human body. Growing children requires lot of proteins, more proteins. Next, third one is the fats. These are also energy giving foods. These are also energy giving foods. Carbohydrates first we discussed naturally. That also energy giving foods. But these fats are stored in our body fat. Sometimes we are fasting, we are not taking food. That time in our body fat is utilized for metabolic activities. Okay, in our body, so many activities. Physical activities means running, walking, jumping, doing some homework like that. Metabolic activities means in our body, digestion, respiration, excretion, so many works. That metabolic activities. Okay, these fats are utilized. Okay, these are the stored fat. These will be stored in our body. Okay, carbohydrates not stored, but fats are stored in our body fat. Okay, these fats are like oils. These fats are like oils. Contains fats. Nuts. Nuts contain fats. Okay. Oils, nuts contain more fats. These are required our body. Okay. These are also energy giving foods. Energy giving foods. These our body keeps warm. Okay. Fats gives warmth. Okay. Next, fourth one is vitamins and minerals. Fourth one is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Fourth one is vitamins and minerals. These vitamins and minerals are the protective foods. These vitamins and minerals are the protective foods. Protective foods. For example, our eyesight will work function nicely. How it will happen? Because of vitamins. Okay? Vitamin A. Vitamin A. Okay. For example, some citrus fruits, it contain vitamin C, orange, lemon. Okay. This vitamin A contains which food item? Carrot, tomato. It contains the vitamin A. Okay. These are the protective foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables, it contains vitamins and minerals. Okay, mineral also require our body, like calcium. Our teeth, our bones will be strong. We will take calcium, our teeth and bones will be strong. We will take iron also mineral. Okay, our blood will be nicely making. Okay, our blood not making, what will be happen? We are become very weak. Okay, then we will take the blood from others. Why? Because our body requires water, blood. Okay, so that's why these are the vitamins and minerals. How it will be get from in the different food components, like vegetables, fruits, vegetables and fruits, milk. It contains the vitamins and minerals. Okay, vegetables, okay, leafy vegetables and fruits, citrus fruits, okay, apples, so many fruits that all contains the vitamins and minerals. Okay, these are the protective foods. These are the protective foods. Next one is the trapeze and water. Next one is the trapeze and water. For adults, 15 mg per day. Calcium needs to take 15 mg per day for adults. 15 mg per day. Okay, this calcium 15 mg per day. Adults, they should take 15 mg per day. Okay, this calcium keeps our teeth and bones healthy. Okay, this calcium keeps our teeth and bones healthy. And iron helps in oxygen transport. Iron helps in oxygen transport. Oxygen, O2 symbol. Oxygen transport. Okay, this iron also required for youngsters 18 to 50 years, women, ladies. They in their body menstrual cycle, so many it will be happen. So they should take 18 mg per day. 18 mg per day. 18 mg per day. Okay, 18 to 19 to 50 years. 19 to 50 years, ladies, they should take 18 mg per day. Okay, above 15 years, elders, above 15 years, elders, 8 mg per day enough. Okay. Above 80 years, elders, okay, they will take 8 mg per day enough. Why? Because iron it transports oxygen. Oxygen is very very important. If it we will not breathe, what will be happen? We will die. So oxygen transport. Iron helps in oxygen transport. Okay, 19 to 50 years, women they should take 18 mg per day. In their diet, they should add jaggery food items. Okay, then they will recover the 18 mg. Above 50 years, no need. That menstrual cycle it will be all will be stopped in ladies. Okay, so they will take 8 mg per day. Next, fifth one is the roughage and water. Fifth one is the roughage and water. Fifth one, roughage and water. Roughage and water. This roughage and water is very very important our body. Roughage is the dietary fiber. It mainly in plant food. Okay, this roughage makes the fiber. Makes the fiber. This fiber helps in digestion. This fiber helps in digestion. What is digestion? What it means digestion? To break down the food into simple ones. That is called digestion. This digestion helps fiber. Which food items contain fiber? Bendi, drumstick. Okay, ridge gourd. It contains the fiber. Okay, bendi, ridge gourd, drumsticks. This food items contains the large amount of fiber. This is very very important. We will not take fiber. Every day we are taking noodles, okay, maida, puri, such type of food items we will take. What will be happen? Our so much problem, constipation problem, no free bowel movement, okay, stomach pain, so many problems we will get. We will take sufficient fiber in our diet. What it will be happen? Free bowel movement, digestion will be free. Okay, constipation, free constipation. Understood, children? Yes. This is about the roughage and water. Water also very very important, children. This water, human body 3 liters. 3 liters. How much they should take? 3 liters per day. 3 liters per day. Human body requires 3 liters per day water. 3 liters per day required. Human body requires 3 liters per day. We should take 3 liters of water. Then only we will be healthy. Why? Because our body 2/3 weight is the water. Okay? Our body 2/3 weight is the water. This is all about the types of nutrients. First one is carbohydrates, second one is proteins, third one is fats, fourth one proteins and fiber, fifth one vitamins and minerals. Okay, this is all about the nutrients, types of nutrients. Next one is the balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet. Next one is the balanced diet. Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? How we can say balanced? Balanced diet. The diet contains, what is diet? Every day we are taking food, that is our diet. Okay. Balanced diet means a diet contains all the nutrients in the right quantities. All nutrients in the right quantity. That is called balanced diet. In a plate we will see all the nutrients. It should be in carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, proteins and water. That is the balanced diet. Okay. Easily divided here. Balanced diet